Welcome to the MakerSpace at Western Sydney University's Kingswood campus. We're here to demonstrate some of the equipment and apps for computational thinking that will be explored in this part of the unit. We'll show you some cool things and have a chat with some even cooler people. Let's dive right in.
Computer-aided design, or CAD, is the use of software to create, modify, analyse and optimise designs. CAD software facilitates the industrial drawing of objects in both 2D and 3D virtual space. The output files can then be sent to production machines like 3D printers and CNC routers to create real objects.
Full-featured CAD software can be very expensive and are overkill for school kids and beginning learners. A great place to start for you and your students is Tinkercad from Autodesk, the makers of some of the most popular CAD software out there. Tinkercad is free, easy to use and runs directly in your web browser. It has many useful videos, a library of pre-built objects and a class collaboration feature. You can even 3D print your Tinkercad creations.
3D printing is a form of additive manufacturing. Layer upon layer of a material like thermoplastic are deposited by a computer-controlled printhead to create an object. This is different to the operation of a CNC router, which takes an existing object, like an aluminium extrusion, and then drills and grinds away to form another object.
3D printing has garnered a lot of attention recently as the prices dropped to the point where even Aldi sells some cheap 3D printers. This has made 3D printers affordable to the masses. There are many companies which sell 3D printers for consumers and educators, such as MakerBot. Some businesses like Officeworks offer 3D printing facilities should you not wish to invest in your own. Many university and other community makerspaces are also available to local schools. Some popular examples include Lego Mindstorms and Sphero connected toys. Both companies offer robots with various sensors and app-based programming environments, although the Lego robots are more customizable. You can program the robots using very easy-to-use drag and drop interfaces or using a C-based coding language, which is a bit more advanced. Either way, the robots offer a fantastic way to develop computational thinking skills in your students. Depending on the challenge you set, you can also integrate cross-curricular knowledge. For example, mathematical skills are needed to navigate the robot along a predetermined path.
Another rapidly developing area is virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. VR uses computer-generated images and sound to simulate a real environment for the user, who typically wears a VR headset. You've no doubt seen a YouTube video of a granny freaking out on a VR roller coaster. A similar technology, AR, overlays the real world with sound, video and other graphics to provide more information about the environment. For example, you could walk down the street and your glasses would display turn-by-turn navigation instructions by overlaying arrows on the footpath. Google Cardboard is a great entry point for schools to teach about VR or AR. The app to create and display VR experiences is free, while the Cardboard viewfinder is pretty cheap. This is also a great tool for introducing cross-disciplinary knowledge into your classes. As an example, you might set an assignment for students where they capture and annotate a VR image of the built environment. To do this, they'd need to integrate their STEM and geographic skills. The possibilities are only limited by your creativity. And that's it for now. Thanks to Western Sydney University's School of Computing, Engineering and Mathematics for hosting us today. The Kingswood Makerspace is open to the public on Thursday afternoons. Perhaps if you're in the area, you can drop in and check it out for yourself. You can learn more on their website. We've only touched upon some of the technologies and apps that are out there. There's plenty more to check out on the unit's Views site.